Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use GPT-3 for chat. GPT-3, or Generative Pretrained Transformer 3, is a state-of-the-art language processing tool that can generate human-like text. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use GPT-3 to create engaging and natural-sounding chat conversations. To get started, you'll need to sign up for an account with OpenAI, the creators of GPT-3. Once you have an account, you can access the GPT-3 API and start using it in your chat applications. To use GPT-3 in a chat application, you'll first need to provide it with some context. This can be in the form of a prompt, which is a brief description of the topic you want to chat about. For example, if you want to chat about the weather, you could provide GPT-3 with the prompt, "Let's talk about the weather." Once GPT-3 has this prompt, it will generate a response based on its understanding of the topic. This response will be generated using a combination of machine learning algorithms and pre-trained data, allowing GPT-3 to produce human-like text that is relevant to the prompt. To improve the quality of the conversation, you can provide GPT-3 with additional context as the conversation progresses. For example, if you ask GPT-3 about the weather in a specific location, it will use this information to generate a more detailed and accurate response. Overall, GPT-3 is a powerful tool for creating engaging and natural-sounding chat conversations. Whether you're building a chatbot for customer service or just want to have a fun conversation with your friends, GPT-3 is an excellent choice. Give it a try and see how it can enhance your chat experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great tutorials on language processing and other exciting technologies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.